So the question number 1, state can make special provisions for which group despite prohibition of discrimination under Article 15? Option number A is the correct answer. Women and children, socially and educationally backward classes, scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, economically weaker section. Question number 2. According to the Census of India 2011, which of the following minority groups recorded the highest literacy rate? Option number D, Jains. 3. Which of the following organs is responsible for producing and releasing insulin in response to elevated blood glucose levels? Option number D, pancreas. 4. Which type of farming in India is primarily carried out to fulfill the needs of the farmer's own family? Option number B, subsistence farming. 5. Which of the following mountain ranges lies between the Great Himalayas and the Ladakh range? Option number C, Jaskar range. 6. Which of the following is defined as a large flat basalt province located on the Deccan Plateau in west central India? Option number C, Deccan Traps. 7. Which of the following is the best source of protein? Option number B, fish. 8. Which article of the Constitution of India confers original jurisdiction on the Supreme Court of India? Option number A, Article 131. 9. The Lotus Mahal in Hampi is an example of the fusion of which two architectural traditions? Option number C, Hindu and Islamic styles. 10. What is the architectural term for the three umbrella-like structures on top of stupas? Option number C, Chhatra. 11. Which Kushan ruler built a giant stupa at Peshawar? Option number D, Kanishka. 12. Which article of the Indian Constitution protects against employment of children in factories or hazardous conditions? Option number B, Article 24. 13. What distinguishes the powers of the Lok Sabha from the Rajya Sabha? Option number B, Lok Sabha controls money bills and the executives. 14. In photosynthesis, which photosystem can absorb more than 680 nanometer wavelengths of light? Option number B, PSI. 15. What is the function of the root system in plants? Option number D, absorption of water and minerals. 16. Which state is home to the Vadla Solar Park, one of the world's largest solar parks? Option number C, Rajasthan. 17. Which of the following biomolecules is the primary and immediate source of energy for most living organisms? Option number A, carbohydrates. 18. Which of the following is not a classification of Orisha's temple architecture? Option number B, Nagara Deol. 19. In Buddhist architecture, what is the purpose of a bihar? Option number C, a monastic residence. 20. Which article of the Indian Constitution empowers the Supreme Court to enforce fundamental rights? Here option number B is the correct answer, Article 32. 21. Which of the following governance related purposes did the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh propose to use blockchain technology for an in June 2025? Option number B, enhancing public safety data systems. 22. What was the main demand of the civil disobedience movement launched by Gandhiji in 1930? Option number A, abolition of salt tax. 23. Which of the following ministries of the Indian government is responsible for the implementation of the official language Hindi? Option number A, Minister of Home Affairs. 24. What is the specific title of the Human Development Report released by UNDP for the year 2025? Option number A, a matter of choice, people and possibilities in the age of AI. 25. Who was the first Indian to estimate the national income of India? Option number A, Dadabhai Naoroji. 26. When was the PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan launched by the Government of India? Option number C, 2021. 27. The Theosophical Society, which promoted universal brotherhood and revival of ancient religions, shifted its headquarters to Adyar, Madras, under whose leadership? Option number C, Helena Petrova Blavatsky and Colonel H.S. Olcott. 28. In July 2025, which of the following countries' space agency worked with the Indian Space Research Organization to launch the NISA satellite for observing Earth? Option number C is the correct answer, National Aeronautics and Space Administrations of the United States. 29. Operation Olivia, conducted by the Indian Coast Guard, is related to the protection of which marine species? Option number A is the right answer, protecting olive ridley turtles. 30. In which of the following years did the moderates and the extremists group take birth out of the Indian National Congress? Option number C, 1907. 31. The Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act guarantees employment for how many days in a year? Option number A, 100 days. 32. What is the income tax exemption ceiling for salaried individuals with standard deduction of 75,000 under the new regime as announced in the Union Budget 2025-26? Option number C, 12.75 lakh. 33. Which Indian women's hockey player won the Polygrass Magic Skill Award 2024-25 for her spectacular solo strike against world number 1 Netherlands? Option number B, Deepika. 34. Identify the name of the freedom fighters with the details given below. He was later arrested for his involvement in Kagori train robbery and sentenced to death. He was hanged on the 19th December 1927 at the Faizabad jail. Identify the name of the freedom fighter with the details given below. Option number C, Ashfaqullah Khan. 34. Who broke the international record in the men's 200-meter race by clocking 20.32 seconds at the Asian Athletes Championship 2025 in Gumi, South Korea? Option number D, Animesh Kujur. 36. In which discipline did Neetu and Swati received the Arjuna Awards for the year 2024 during the ceremony held on January 17, 2025 in New Delhi? Option number B, boxing. 37. The Integrated Main Parachute Airdrop Test IMAT-03 conducted by ISRO on November 3, 2025 was part of the qualification series for which Indian space mission? Option number C, Gaganyaan. 38. What among the following is the main reason that per capita income may not accurately reflect income inequality in a country? Option number B, it hides distributions gap. 39. Which of the following measures would directly help reduce farm related disguised unemployment? Option number B, create non-farm job opportunities. 40. Which English weekly newspaper was founded by Firoz Shah Mehta in 1910? Option number D, Bombay Chronicle. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also can get PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.